us on the line, and you're gonna love it. We've been waiting to move, and I'm going slow. Let's hit the road and make it up as we go. Oh, let's go.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Christianina, my name is Christine and you are very much welcome to this family. If you are returning, thank you so much for always coming back to support my content. So today it's a cleaning day and we are going to clean, we are planning to clean the whole house. That is the 2 bedrooms, the living room and the kitchen. I'll also be cleaning my master bathroom. The kids will also be cleaning theirs. I'm not sure if we'll manage that on camera, but I want them to clean their bathroom too. Yeah, so that is what we are planning to do. So we are getting ready to just start, and we'll be starting with their bedroom and then I'll be doing my bedroom. Yeah, so please stay tuned and I hope that you enjoyed this video and you get time to clean your houses together with your children. And here I have Nara.
Hi guys, welcome to Tinale's YouTube channel. Please subscribe and like and share and comment.
Good. And I have noise. Hakuna chacha. Sema, hi guys.
Hi, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe, and for the returnees, thank you for being part of this family. Thank you for all the support you've given us. Hi guys, my name is Yvonne Melissa. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Please share, comment and subscribe.
Hi, wewe umefanya vizuri.
When you're here with me, baby, say the word and we can disappear. We run all the lights to our getaway. Oh, you're my getaway. Let's get away, seeing all the damage that we need to leave. And if we make it out, it won't be make believe. We run all the lights to our getaway. Oh, you're my getaway.
But baby, I'll drive Bonnie and Clyde to the sun. You're mine, nothing but time to lose, and we'll be running on fumes.
Through the night and morning, when the rain is pouring, you're the one I'm calling. You're my escape from my darkest days. And when the sun is shining, you know we out here riding, chasing the horizon with you. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like look no further, look no further. You're the one I'm calling. You're my escape from my darkest days. And when the sun is shining, you know we out here riding, chasing the horizon with you. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like. Look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like. Look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like. I never thought I'd find it, a love that feels so perfect. I can't even word it. Yeah, you make me lift up from the ground. I believe that we are more. All the world is looking for. Show them all we got it. Never look back, never let go. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like. Look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like. Look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like. I believe that we are more. All the world is looking for. Show them all we got it. Never look back, never let go. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like. Look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like.
You've been shattered, you've been broken down. Heart is beating, still won't make a sound. It feels like an angel straight from heaven, just like my lucky number 7.
So we are done with the kids' bedroom. I really wanted to help them clean that bedroom because it was in a mess. So they decided to start to cleaning the kitchen as I clean my bedroom. Yeah, so I told them we clean one room at a time, but they told me that they will take forever, the whole day just to clean. So they wanted to start with the kitchen, to continue cleaning the kitchen as I do my bedroom. Then we can clean the living room together. So I said, why not? After all, they are doing more work than I am. Yeah, so I really appreciate their help. So I came to the bedroom with the twins. The twins wanted to help me in the bedroom. So what I'm doing, I'm just cleaning my bed. And guys, having a white bed is not a joke. It gets dirty so fast. So I'm cleaning it using just water, some shampoo, and jik. Yeah, I've put jik in the water that I'm using. I always use warm water to clean the bed. So let me clean the bed, then I will clean the window. Though my window is not that dirty, we had cleaned it just the other day. We were cleaning the balcony, and then I will do the beds. I will change the beddings and mop the floor. Yeah.
And I feel your frequency, feel your love around me. I'm drowning in my mind, don't wanna let you down. We're running round in circles, our love feels so invincible. Feel you and there's no one around. Your beauty's so amazing, I will always hold you down. love's underrated. Cause your love's underrated. And I don't wanna lose what we've got tonight. Baby, cause your love's like a dynamite. I don't wanna love you when I'm faded. I can feel your heart need a saving. Cause your love's underrated. You've been shattered, you've been broken down. Heart is beating, still won't make a sound. It feels like an angel straight from heaven, just like my lucky number 7. You're my shooting star. We're running round in circles. Love feels so invincible. Feel you when there's no one around. Your beauty's so amazing. I will always hold you down. Your heart will be kept safe and sound. But I don't wanna love you when I'm faded. You're the picture perfect, you're on my mind. Painted. And I don't wanna lose what we've got tonight. Baby, cause your love's like a dynamite. I don't wanna love you when I'm faded. I can feel your heart need to save it. Cause your love's underrated. Cause your love's underrated. And I don't wanna lose what we've got tonight. Baby, cause your love's like a dynamite. I don't wanna love you when I'm faded. I can feel your heart need a saving. Cause your love's underrated. Deep in my heart I know you're irreplaceable. Together unstoppable. And I feel your frequency, feel your love around me. I'm drowning in my mind, don't wanna let you down. We're running round in circles. Love feels so invincible. Feel you when there's no one around. Your beauty's so amazing. I will always hold you down. Your heart will be kept safe and sound. But I don't wanna love you when I'm faded. You're the picture perfect, you're on my mind. Painted. And I don't wanna lose what we've got tonight. Baby, cause your love's like a dynamite. I don't wanna love you when I'm faded. I can feel your heart need to save it. Cause your love's underrated. Cause your love's underrated. And I don't wanna lose what we've got tonight. Baby, cause your love's like a dynamite. I don't wanna love you when I'm faded. I can feel your heart need a saving. Cause your love's underrated. You've been shattered, you've been broken down. Heart is beating, still won't make a sound. It feels like
I finished up with my bedroom and my washroom, master bedroom washroom, before they finished up with the kitchen. So I came to see what they were doing, and they were done with the cabinets, the countertops. Now Nicole was mopping the floor, and you can see the floor was dirty because they had even spilled my color, the color that I normally use on my cakes. So they had spilled it behind this cabinet, and it was looking really yuck. So Nicolette was mopping the floor, and I just let her finish up. Then before we proceeded to the living room. This day, these kids were very energetic, and they were really helping out, doing more than I was doing. So they already started cleaning the windows and the doors to the living room, and I decided to vacuum the seats because this type of seats, the kids normally mess them at the corners. So there's a lot of dirt that sticks in the corners of the seats because these are not removable cushion. So it gets dirty under the seat. So while using this, it's good that I have this vacuum cleaner. I just get to clean the corners, and my vacuum power got my vacuum didn't have power, so I decided to charge it first and then continue later. So this was a very good cleaning day because we were cleaning, listening to music, and even dancing. So we had fun cleaning this day, and we really finished cleaning very fast.
You're irreplaceable, together unstoppable, and I feel your frequency, feel your love around me. I'm drowning in my mind, don't wanna let you down. We're running round in circles, our love feels so invincible. Feel you and there's no one around. Your beauty's so amazing, I will always hold you down. Your heart will be kept safe and sound. But I don't wanna love you when I'm faded. You're the picture perfect, you're on my mind. Painted. And I don't wanna lose what we've got tonight, baby, 'cause your love's like a dynamite. I don't wanna love you when I'm faded. I can feel your heartbeat is saving, 'cause your love's underrated. Oh, 'cause your love's underrated. And I don't wanna lose what we've got tonight, baby, 'cause your love's like a dynamite. I don't wanna love you when I'm faded. I can feel your heart need a saving, 'cause your love's underrated.
The twins decided to help with the walls, so I let them clean the walls, though they didn't clean all the walls, but at least they tried. I was just pointing some dirt where it is, and they were heading over there to remove the dirt on the walls, and they did it perfectly. I love it that they do help. When they see us do some work, they always want to help and just get involved in everything that we do. Yeah, so they get to learn these things. Of late they've been insisting on cleaning the dishes, but I really don't want them to do that because they get really messy. So I want to look for big basins that I will just dedicate them to kitchen utensils. So I'll be putting the basins down so that they can use them to clean maybe Sunday breakfast utensils, mostly on Sundays breakfast. So yeah, that will really help. So they can help each other to clean as one cleans as the other one rinses, and they will feel happy. But they are on my neck that they want to be cleaning dishes in this house. Our counter space is so high, and they have to climb a stool to be able to reach the sink, and it's not always that safe when someone is not around to supervise them.
My Christmas tree is shining bright. That's all I need for these darker nights. There's so much to see, don't you close your eyes. Hold on to me on this sleigh ride. Bring me the light, bring me the light, bring me the light. Bring me the light, bring me the light, bring me the light, bring me the light, bring me the light.
I don't know if you have noticed that every time we clean the house and we have returned the carpet, Noi always plays on the carpet. So this time he didn't have a ball. His ball got spoiled, so he was just playing with the balloon, and he's very, very good in football. He's very talented in football. In fact, his father always takes him once in a while when he's around in a football field near us so that they can watch football, and he's very soon he'll start being trained on football. He got enrolled in a club just near us so that he can learn more on football. He is very talented, and he also knows how to jump the rope. He can do that perfectly. I'm even shocked. Nara doesn't know how to jump, but he knows how to jump. He can jump several times before failing, and he's perfect in that. And another thing, no, Nara is more interested in social media, is more interested in books, is more interested in singing, dancing, such kinds. But Noi is most of the time is not interested in books, but he loves things to do with IT and football a lot. So these kids are normally gifted differently, even though they are twins, but they are gifted very differently. Everyone has his or her own talents and what he loves. Yeah, so kids are always different.
My Christmas tree is shining bright. That's all I need for these darker nights. There's so much to see, don't you close your eyes. Hold on to me on this sleigh ride. Bring me the light, 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 bring me the
We are now done, so let me show you how the whole house turned out. So this is how the sitting room looks like, all clean. Yeah, and the only place that we have not cleaned is the kids bathroom, but Yvonne is the one supposed to clean it, so she said she is going to clean it when she is showering. Yeah, so after all this cleaning, they are just going to take a shower, and if when it's Yvonne's turn to shower, she will clean the bathroom first and then shower. So that is all accounted for. So we have our house clean, every place is clean. My bedroom is clean, their bedroom is clean and neat, the kitchen is also clean, and my bathroom is also clean. Yeah, so I had already shown you the kitchen, so so I won't show you the kitchen, but the other places are clean. I love how their bedroom turned out, and these duvet covers were mine, but I decided to give to them, yeah, because they are almost matching. They are the same, just a different pattern. Yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching till this far, and I really do appreciate. Please subscribe if you haven't, like, share, leave a comment down below, and let me see you in my next one. Goodbye, love you all, and Merry Christmas.